Tabi to 1 for 3. Wala. Oligario, 2 points para kay Ronzil. Back to Oligario. Umatake. Pagkakala. Pagkawa ng foul. Foul number 26 as on jersey number 0, Tata Ramon. First shot is good. Pangalawang tira. Second shot. 2 for 2. Basic na basic para kay Tata. KD to Riego. Riego, buntik maagawan. Riego to Ronzil. Is it 2 points para kay Ronzil. To Tata Ramon. Is it 2 points para kay Tata. Ronzil to Tata. Oh, what a play! Tata Ramon. Gandang galaw. Last to Oligario. To Tata. Pangalawang tira. Last 8. Diego to Oligario. Oh, what a pass! Na bola umatake. To Tata Ramon. Piso. Kaso wala. Oligario ngayon. Binaisig. What a pass! What a give and go! James to Bermilio. Naagawan ni Sipagan. Sipagan to Tata. Pasok. Nagla ulit tayo. Tata. To DC. Tumukol ulit ng tres. In and out. Sipagan to Oligario. Oligario. 2 points. Tata Ramon. Palitan. Ronzil. First shot's good para kay Tata. Ginawang layup ang free throw. Kalkulado. Tata. Jason Tatum talaga. First shot is good. Two for 2 para kay Tata Ramon. Ronzil to Tata. Last 20 seconds. Last 13 seconds. 10 seconds. Kay DC ngayon. Mas to Tata Ramon. Sipagan. Babasa ito. Tata to Riego. Riego to Sipagan. 2 points para kay Ronzil. 6 minutes, 25. To Tata. Pasok. 6 point lead. 4 minutes, 5 seconds. Layugan. Wala. Tata. To Ronzil. Ronzil. 2 points. Ano pa lang. 2 minutes, 35 seconds. Fifteen to shoot. KD. Away. Cracks. 4-point lead. One minute, 50 seconds. Tata Ramon. Cracks. 3-point lead. 1 minute, 40 seconds. Still a long way to go. SPO. Barrios. Pusipaga linipan. 2-point lead, last 1 minute. Layugan. To Espejo. 15 to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Defeo. 4 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. Three. Follow ni Barrientos, penalty. Both teams penalty na. Penalty. Okay, first shot. Walang kaba. 1-point lead. Last 32.7 seconds. Deadlock. Layugan. Ibarrientos. Ang bilis ni Ibarrientos. 25 seconds remaining. 15 to shoot. And game over. 6 to shoot. 5. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Sub muna tayo, sub. Sub muna tayo. 5 seconds to shoot. Five to shoot. Ten on the clock. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 3 seconds, 3 seconds, 3 seconds. 3.8. Ito po yung deliberation niya. A foul is committed on the ground, pero basket not count. There's still a time sa foul. Hindi basket pero may foul. Hindi basket, hindi foul pero penalty tayo. Penalty tayo eh. Nag-call ng foul eh. Penalty tayo, 2 shots. One more shot. Okay, winner, Heroes, and our best player of the game.